I've always been passionate about electric vehicles. It is an emerging field that is in very high demand.
If you look at federal mandates, state mandates, and even some cities, we know that electrification is what's going to happen. The technicians that have a degree from a community college, they're taught these theoreticals, they're taught the foundation of how to work on the vehicles, and as a result, it makes it a little bit easier to transition into working on electric vehicles.
If you do want to do automotives, the EV program is a great way to start. It eases you into more education without feeling like school.
I'm from Minnesota, and I came specifically here for the electric vehicle program because there's nothing like this out in the world.
You're in a shop, you have access to all these tools, you get to work on all these really high-end electric vehicles.
It is affordable, fast, and you get a lot of practical hands-on experience.
When you actually get to work on them, you're like, this is amazing. This is something I want to do. This is something I see myself doing in the future.
It's kind of nerve-wracking coming in, how everything's going to be set up, if our teachers are going to be good, if they're helpful, and they're all of those things. Everybody's been hands-on as a mentor, even the tutors that are offered, everybody's been very, very helpful.
With the training we got here, I'm able to understand how things going on the car, how I can fix it, where to start, and now I can say I am an electronic technician.
Because of what we do, because of the opportunities that we have here, that is leading kids to have not only jobs but careers that will feed them for the rest of their lives and take care of their family for the rest of their lives.
My mom wanted me to go to college. At first I was doing it to please her more than self-benefit, but this program is making me want to keep coming. And it's not only beneficial to my future, but it's also a great place to be.